This is Andy Bryce of Easy Data Transform, and I'm going to show you how you can quickly verify columns of IBAN account numbers in Excel or in other format files. IBAN stands for International Bank Account Number. It includes a 2-digit letter code followed by a sequence of letters and digit characters. The number of characters depends on the country code. The final digit is a checksum. IBAN numbers can include spaces. Here we have an Excel file with a column of IBAN codes and we want to check to see which ones are valid. Let's drag the file onto Easy Data Transform. An input item is created. Now let's add a verified transform so that we can check the values in the IBAN column are valid. Make sure the Show Advanced checkbox is checked. Then scroll down to Verify. And click the Verify button with the input selected. A verified transform has now been added. So let's add a rule to verify the IBAN account numbers in that column. Some of the conflicting rules now disappear, but here we can see is valid IBAN is checked. And we'll make it a warning if we get a fail. So here we can see we've had 4 failed verifications. Let's look at just the rows with warnings. And here we can see 4 invalid codes. These have failed because they're the incorrect length, contain the wrong characters, or have an incorrect checksum. We could output these to a file, but we're just going to remove them for now. Note that we could also add verification rules for other columns. For example, to check that the transaction value is not empty, or that the currency is of an allowed type. For now, let's output the rows with valid IBAN numbers to a new Excel spreadsheet. So here we have a new spreadsheet with only valid IBAN numbers. We input this data from and output to Excel, but other formats are also available including CSV, XML and JSON. This is a very small example dataset, but Easy Data Transform can easily handle datasets with millions of rows. Easy Data Transform can also do sophisticated step-by-step data transformations to clean up, reformat and reshape your data, including joins, filtering, aggregating and deduplicating datasets. Easy Data Transform is available for Windows and Mac. You can download a fully functional free trial from our website. It only takes a few seconds and you don't even have to give us your email address.